leading a new era in printing. We use technology to write a legendary story of color. Total construction of 35,000 square meters. Consisting of a 4-story building, a modern intelligent factory was built at a high cost to provide customers with world flexographic printing technology solutions. The CI-type gearless sleeve flexographic printing machine is manufactured using the latest European technology. It is designed for the characteristics of film, is equipped with the most advanced servo system. The non-stop rewinding and unwinding a double cutter process, achieving high-speed reel changing, bidding farewell to material waste, and improving printing efficiency. The drying system uses a fully automatic frequency temperature control system. The fully enclosed structure. The heating method is electric heating. The maximum hot air temperature is 80 degrees centigrade. The wind speed of the drying channel is 5-30 meters per second. The printing roller adopts an inverted straight-line cantilever-edge lock support structure. The sleeve changing is convenient and quick. Video inspector touchscreen operation and setting printing parameters, which can be both fixed, put monitoring automatic back and forth. The camera inspection speed is kept at 1.0 meters per minute. Master Series Full Servo Sleeve Flexographic Printing Machine for the characteristics of paper. Uses a double station non-stop unwinding. The paper roll replacement is quickly completed. The friction rewinding behind the stability and efficiency of the paper during the winding process. The pressure between the plate cylinder and the large drum. The pressure between the screen cylinder and the plate cylinder. Each color uses the servo motor drive. And pressure uses a ball screw and a double linear guide to adjust. With a position memory function, lab printing become more intelligent and streamlined. The guide roller inside the drying box is movable, and the speed is synchronized with the main machine. Has a secondary return air function to reduce energy waste. All of these are supported by powerful technology, research and development, and world-class processing capabilities, making the precision the printing machine higher. 6 major application industries, committed to creation more efficient, smarter, and more environmentally friendly printing solutions for you. Obtain a number technical patent support. We believe that every detail is crucial, and every printing is an act of artistic creation. Welcome you joining to create a bright future for the printing industry together. Lift new technology flexography printing to a new height.